Hello everybody, this is Bryson Walters with TrueDoor Property Management. Today we are at 401 Beach Boulevard, El Pueblo Apartments, unit number 207. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, coming in at 722 square feet. This is a second level apartment. All right, let's go take a look inside. All right, as you can see, you enter through the front door and got that nice spacious living area. Vaulted ceilings in here, making the room feel extremely big. Let's get you another angle. Let's check out this patio real quick while we're over here. Nice simple patio here. Definitely set a table and chairs out here. All right, let's go take a look at that dining area. Here's that dining area for you. One more angle. All right, we got the nice kitchen area. Updated appliances, microwave, stovetop. Plenty of cabinet space in this kitchen. Pantry over to the right side there. Nice big window in this kitchen, giving lots of natural light in here. All right, let's go take a look at this bedroom. Again, got the nice flooring throughout this apartment. Huge window, lots of natural light coming in here. Let's get you one more angle. Got the sliding doors in the closet over there in the corner. Plenty of room for storage. Which leads us into that bathroom. Got the vanity here. Extra closet space here attached to the bathroom. More space for storage. Freshly reglazed tub, stand-up shower here. Very nice, spacious, 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment. And that will do it for today's showing of this property. Again, we are at 401 Beach Boulevard, El Pueblo Apartments. This is a second floor unit, number 207. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, coming in at 722 square feet. If you're interested in this property and would like to fill out an application, please visit us at www.truedoorpm.com. Have a great day.